Hello all, welcome to the lecture series of vector integration. First example is use Stokes theorem to evaluate integral over C 4yi plus 2zj plus 6yk dot dr where C is the curve of intersection x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2z and x is equal to z minus 1. Now I already told you in previous class that whenever the question is use Stokes theorem, whatever the given term, we have to apply right hand side or left hand side of Stokes theorem. Now what is Stokes theorem? By Stokes theorem, integral over C f dot dr, it is equal to double integral over S del cross f dot n cap ds. Now what we have given integral over C 4yi plus 2zj plus 6yk dot dr means left hand side is given. Whenever left hand side is given and this question is use Stokes theorem, we have to evaluate it by using right hand side. So what is right hand side? A double integral over S del cross f dot n cap ds means what we want del cross f. So first find out del cross f. What is f vector? F vector is equal to 4yi plus 2zj plus 6yk. Now we want del cross f. So del cross f is equal to determinant of ijk, coefficient of f that is del, that is del by del x, del by del y and del by del z, and coefficient of f which is 4y, then 2z and 6y. So it is equal to I times del by del y of 6y is 6, del by del z of 2z is 2. So 6 minus 2i plus j times del by del z of 4y is 0 minus del by del x of 6y is 0 plus k times del by del x of 2z, it is 0 minus del by del y of 4y is 4. So it is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4i minus 4k. 4i minus 4k. Del cross f we got. Now we want n cap vector. So n cap vector we want. N cap is the unit normal vector. Now what is given? What is a curve C? So curve C is given as C is the curve of intersection x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2z and x is equal to z minus 1. Now x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2z represent equation of sphere and x is equal to z minus 1 represent equation of plane. Now whenever any plane cuts sphere, then it forms a circle. So section of a sphere by a plane is always a circle. So if this is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2z, we can solve this equation. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2z. So find out center and radius of this sphere. It can be written as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2z is equal to 0. Or it can be written as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2z. To convert it into complete square, we add 1 on both sides. So plus 1 on both sides, it will get cancelled and remaining is only x square plus y square plus z square minus 2z. Now it is x square plus y square plus z square, this is not z square minus 2z plus 1 is z minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So this is the equation of sphere whose center is, here it is x minus, general form of a sphere is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. So here center is A, B, C. So A value is 0, B value is 0, only C value is present. So 0, 0 and 1 is the center of the sphere. Now what we want here? We want n cap. So to get the n cap, section of sphere. If suppose this is a sphere and if it curved by a plane, then we always get a circle. This is the circle. Now question is whether it forms a great circle or circle of any radius. So first, now to check that, equation of plane is given x is equal to z minus 1. X is equal to z minus 1 can be written as x minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane. Now if this equation of plane satisfies this center of a sphere, then we can say that this plane cuts this sphere from the center. So substitute x value as 0, y value as 0 and z value as 1 here. X is equal to 0, then y is equal to, y is not present, z is equal to minus 1 plus 1, it is equal to 0. So it satisfies, 0 is equal to 0. If it satisfies means what? This center equation of plane satisfies this center of a circle, means whatever the circle formed by this sphere, it is same as radius of this circle is same as radius of the sphere. So it forms a great circle. Say plane cuts the sphere through center and forms a great circle. Forms a great circle. Now this great circle we got, this is great circle. This is the great circle. Now that plane cuts this circle, so we are getting here circle only. So this upper part of this sphere or upper surface of this sphere, this S, is nothing but the circle. Now what is the center and radius of this circle? Radius center is 0, 0, 1 and radius of the circle is this right hand side. So what is the radius of sphere? It is 1. So radius of circle, due to this great circle, radius of circle is same as radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. So it is equal to 1. Now what is n cap? This equation of this is circle, but it forms by cutting this plane. So whatever the normal to this plane is same as normal to this circle. So to get the normal to this normal of this circle, it is same as normal over this plane. Now what is plane? Plane is x minus z plus 1. This is the equation of plane. So to find out normal over this surface S, we can denote it by phi, because normal to the surface S is same as normal to the plane due to this great circle. So this is phi is equal to x minus z plus 1. What we want? Gradient of phi. Gradient of phi is del phi by del x. So del by del x of x minus z plus 1 plus del by del y of x minus z plus 1 j plus del by del z of x minus z plus 1 multiplied by k. Now find out what is del by del x, del by del y and del by del z. Del by del x of x minus z plus 1 is derivative with respect to x, it is 1. Derivative with respect to y, it is 0 times I. And derivative with respect to z, it is minus 1 multiplied by k. So what is gradient of phi? Gradient of phi, it is equal to I minus k. Now what we want here? We want gradient del cross f dot n cap, and del cross f we got it as 4i minus, this is del cross f 4i minus 4k. So find out its dot product. Del cross f dot n cap. So it is equal to 4i minus 4k dot product with I minus k. I minus k. So it is equal to, find out dot product of this two vector. It is 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4, minus 4 plus 4, it is plus 4. So it is equal to 16. Now but we want n cap. So n cap is square root of gradient of phi, square root of gradient of phi, which is equal to 1 plus 1. So it is 16 divided by root 2. Sorry, this is 8. 8 divided by root 2. So this is equal to 8 divided by root 2. Next, del cross f dot n cap we got. Now question is integral over c f dot dr. It is equal to double integral over s del cross f dot n cap ds. So this is equal to del cross f dot n cap ds is 8 by root 2 times double integral over s ds. Now what is this? This is 8 by root 2 times double integral over s ds means area over the surface. Area over the surface. Now on this surface is in x and y. So area over the surface, this surface S is same as it is same as surface of circle. So radius of the circle is same as radius of sphere, and that radius we know it is equal to 1. So this surface is same as circle. Now what is the area of circle? Area of circle is, it is 8 by root 2 times area of circle, because both are same. Area of circle. So it is equal to 8 by root 2 times area of circle is pi r square. So it is equal to 8 by root 2 times pi, r value is 1, so 1 square, which is equal to 8 pi by root 2. 8 pi by root 2, or we can write it as 4 root 2 multiplied by pi. Thank you.